supposed to be back again. But nonetheless, I've heard a lot about the inter-school regatta, but unfortunately I've not been able to be here before. I've been to Lake Club many times for private functions and always enjoyed the ambience, the beauty of it, but never been to this side of the club on this beautiful ground and next to this lake. And now I can imagine why so many people, young boys and girls and their parents and their friends are here this evening on a Saturday evening, because it can't be better weather than this, with a lovely breeze blowing across and with all your friends and family here. I take this opportunity to wish all of you my heartiest congratulations, all those who have participated in the competition. I know some win, some lose, that's what sport is all about. But all those who have participated, my heartiest congratulations. My bigger congratulations to the winning team, the runners-up team. I can see some of them in yellow, and I presume they are the winners, and there are many others here. So I've always believed that, sports is a great way of life. And all of us have various other things to do in life, school, college. When I was growing up and I see a lot of young faces here, just like any other mom and dad, I was also asked to go to school and study. I studied in St. Xavier's School, Calcutta, and my mom was probably the most strictest person at home who wanted me to study. But having had the support from my father over the years as a young boy, when I was 14 years old, I had the pleasure and the opportunity and the luck to continue to play the sport, which obviously turned into my career in the years to come. I say this to everyone here, there are a lot of young boys and girls that I know all of you have school, all of you have colleges, all of you have pressure from home, but still find time to play the game. Whatever game you play, whether it's regatta, whether it's cricket, whether it's football, whether it's hockey. Obviously cricket is a privileged sport in this country, and I'm sure many of you in this room, in this club, in this area dream to be the Kohlis, the Rohit Sharmas, the Tendulkars and the Dravids or the Bumrahs in the future. So I wouldn't take much of your time. I know the gentleman who passed me the microphone said that, to share my experiences in sport, but I think that's going to take a long time. That's going to take a long time, and today is an evening to celebrate. Today is an evening to enjoy and then have a good time on a Saturday night. So I wouldn't take much time, but as I said, when I was growing up, in a typical middle class Bengali family like many of you here, I understood one thing, that if you want to study and play, you can do both. It's just about managing your time and taking your time away from other things. So I will say that, sports is a great way of life. Whichever sport you want to play, it's different from when I started in 1986 as a young 13-year-old boy who first took a cricket bat to Eden Gardens and wanted to play. I never knew where it would take. I never knew whether I would play for India, but I just wanted to play. And I'm sure with all of you here who have participated in the inter-school regatta and in various schools in Calcutta who play various other sports, remember, everything has a start. Everything has a start, and then you progress, and then you dream, and then you become a successful person one day. When the great man Sachin, and I say he's the best player India has ever produced, he also started like many of you from school, going to school cricket, school matches, junior cricket, senior cricket, and then finally over a period of 25 years become what he is. So for all of you, everything in life is an opportunity. So make the most of it. Give your best in whatever you want to do. You may not succeed all the time, but remember one thing, you will not fail all the time if you give your best in whatever you do. So these ideas, these opinions, these life lessons are for some another day, but I will take this opportunity once again, thanking everyone for inviting me here, and I wish you all the very best. Hope you have a great time, hope you enjoy the evening, and see you soon. Thank you.
Award from none other than Mr. Saurav Ganguly. It's like the Lord's balcony moment for you, right? 2002. I think it has to be louder. Girls, please stay back. You also receive the trophy for the best team in the senior girls sports category, Sarvishta Memorial Trophy. Mr. Ganguly will hand over the trophy to you. They're now receiving the goodie bag sponsored by ITC. Thank you ITC for sponsoring this goodie bags for all our participants. The trophy being handed over. Sarmishta Memorial Trophy for the winners of the Senior Girls Sports event. Preserve this photo, girls. This should stay for lifelong. Alright, thank you very much, Ashok Hall. Now we move to the Senior Boys Cox Sports category. The gold medal winner, Khalsa High School, represented by Vivek Kumar Singh, Rajdeep Manna, Priyanshu Singh and Piyush Kumar, caused by SK Adil Raja. Can I have the Khalsa boys on the stage, please?
Khalsa!
I think we can keep on clapping for these boys. I mean, why are the hands falling silent? They will also receive the Janki Das Trophy. For you who have not seen Janki Das, he was our regular mentor and coach in the morning, and many stalwart rowers have been actually coached by him during the early days. Ladies and gentlemen, the Janki Das Memorial Trophy being handed over by Mr. Saurav Ganguly to the winning team, Khalsa Boys High School. Khalsa High School.
Next, Saurav.
We now move to the last two trophies for the evening. And Mr. Ganguly, I request you to stay back. Mrs. Deepika Chakraborty, can you please join us? And someone please escort Mrs. Chakraborty to All Girls High School to receive the overall championship trophy in the girls category. AC Chakraborty trophy. Mrs. Deepika Chakraborty, please do the honors. The trophy is dedicated in her father's name, and she's travelled all the way from Australia to do the honors. Congratulations, girls, well done. Now I move to the
Next.
Thank you, Ashok, girls. By the sequence of events that all of us have witnessed this evening, that the winner is South Point High School, and Mr. Ganguly is going to hand over the trophy to South Point High School. Well done, South Point. I think you are a very rich hall this evening. And once again, thank you for the partnership. South Point has been there in the first school regatta and consistently participated in all 50 editions of this regatta. Mrs. Chakraborty, thank you. Megha, please escort Mrs. Chakraborty. I think this is one photo opportunity where I cannot rush the students. I'll have to be patient. All of us have to be patient. This is a well-earned moment for them. Very, very well-earned moment. And this is the icing on the cake, receiving the trophy from none other than Saurav Ganguly. Things can't get better than this. Thank you, South Point. Mr. Ganguly, please join us. And I would request all members, parents, media, guests, rowers, students to clear the frontage of the dais. you'll have enough and more opportunities, photo opportunity later on. Can I now request Mr. Tamal Mukherjee, President Lake Club, to give a bouquet of flowers to Mr. Saurav Ganguly. I'll now invite Mr. Debabrata Datto, Honorary Joint Secretary, to hand over a plaque and the club t-shirt specially designed for this event to Mr. Ganguly. May I now invite Mr. Subrata Guha, Honorary Joint Secretary, Lake Club, to give an exclusive gift designed for Mr. Ganguly on behalf of the club. I'll invite Mr. Mukund Kulkarni now to present an exclusive gift designed for Mr. Ganguly as our chief guest. I think in the excitement of Mr. Ganguly being here, they are taking a little time to arrange the gift. Now I'd like to invite Mr. Ganguly, I'd like to invite you now because all the students, rowers, members, guests, teachers, press, media, including me, all of us have been very eagerly waiting to hear you share your experience in your area of sports, which is cricket, and maybe if you can throw some light in your interest in rowing.
Good evening, Honorary President, Sri Tamalda, Chandan Babu, Honorary Secretary, Ma'am Deepika Chakraborty on dais. She said she met me in Sydney 20 years ago. And the best thing she said that is that I still look the same. It can't be that, ma'am, but thank you for telling me that I still look what I looked 20 years ago. Thank you so much to Provinda, to members of the Lake Club for inviting me here. I've heard about the regatta competition many times in